My man Pep.
They're here. Step number 2. Get the stock on site. They made it.
I'm Tyler Keyjack, and this is TK Pro Rodeo.
The wildest show in the West.
Yeah. Step 3, get them in the box and buck them.
Yeah, boys.
We're gonna unload these bulls off this ground load.
After working through the night to set up the arena, it's finally time for the first rodeo of the week. But before the show kicks off, the crew has to unload and sort the stock. TK owns nearly all of his own rough stock and bulls, and part of life on the road means hauling sets of animals from one rodeo to the next. Tonight's lineup rolled in all the way from Oklahoma, ready to put on a show.
Say it all the time, wildest show in the West.
My man.
And cut.